Welcome back to Code and Conquer Daily, where we solve a new LeetCode problem every single day. If this helps you out, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's solution. Today we're tackling problem number 1140, stoneGameII. LeetCode problem number 1140, stoneGameII. Alice and Bob continue their games with piles of stones. There are a number of piles arranged in a row, and each pile has a positive integer number of stones piles, I. The objective of the game is to end with the most stones. For example, given piles equals 2, 7, 9, 4, 4, the expected output is 10. The brute force approach involves trying all possible combinations of moves for Alice and Bob, and then selecting the move that results in the maximum number of stones for Alice. This approach is not efficient as it has a high time complexity due to the recursive nature of the problem. The complexity here is 2 to the power of n. The optimal approach involves using dynamic programming to store the maximum number of stones Alice can get for each subarray of piles. We use a 2D array dp where dp, I, j, represents the maximum number of stones Alice can get from the subarray piles, I, and 1, with the current value of m being j. We fill up the dp array in a bottom-up manner and finally return dp, 0, 1. The complexity here is n squared. Now let's implement the optimal solution in C++. I'll write it out step by step so you can follow along. Initialize the size of the piles array. Create a 2D array dp to store the maximum number of stones. Calculate the suffix sum of the piles array. Fill up the dp array in a bottom-up manner. Calculate the maximum number of stones for the current subarray. Update the dp array with the maximum number of stones. Return the maximum number of stones Alice can get. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with someone who's learning, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss tomorrow's LeetCode solution. See you in the next one.